Limerick Racecourse hosted a different sort of horsepower today as it welcomed the Greenmount Motorsport Bonanza for the first time to this fantastic venue just outside Limerick City. The event was organised with the aim of raising funds for the super important Irish Motorsport Benevolend Fund, which helps families of motorsport competitors who are faced with serious illness or injury. The organisers of this event also welcomed the Little Blue Heroes to the racecourse. The honorary Gardaí certainly arrived in style in a host of high-powered supercars. Impressionist Al Foran, who travelled with the Little Blue Heroes, was also on hand to entertain the crowds.
I don't know. Listen, I don't know. I like Katie's, you know what I mean? And I was there in full support last night. I was ready, you know what I mean? It was a tough blow to take. But that's part of the boxing, that's part of the fighting, you know what I mean? And I was trying to guide her through the fight, but she wasn't bleeding listening to what I was saying, you know what I mean? What's up?
The Irish car scene is as popular as ever, with shows and car meets hosted around the country most weekends, and a wide mix of classic and modern cars turned out like they were just off the showroom floor. Plenty of passion and hard work to keep these iconic cars in pristine condition. And just as popular, but maybe a bit harder to park for some, was the wide range of trucks on display. The Greenmount Motorsport Bonanza Rally Sprint was the perfect opportunity for the public to mix with some of the big names in Irish rallying. The service park, located beside the entrance to the stage, was a hive of activity as drivers and maybe some nervous celebrity passengers got ready for a high-speed run on this short stage around Limerick Racecourse.
When Tommy said to me, would I do this, to be honest, if anybody else asked me, I'd say no, because there's plenty of other things to be at. But in fairness to Tommy, he explained a couple of things. First of all, what it was, the organisation that goes into it, it's a highly organised event. And of course, then what the fundraising is for, it's very important to mention that, because it is so important. The Benevolent Fund for accident victims, as we'll say, through the rallying industry and rally sport, the Little Blue Heroes, which is very important, and also the Suicide Watch, the fundraising for that. That's a very important issue in Limerick and throughout the country, of course, suicide awareness and all of that. So, on a lighter note, it's great to be here. Very enjoyable. I thoroughly enjoyed that. I'm with a terrible safe driver, of course, an excellent car, great backup crew taking care of everything, and that's what it's all about. But since I was that height, I had great, interest in rallying. I went to Donegal long ago, Galway, travelled the country, going to Cork, and of course then the circuit of Kerry and all that. But I never thought I'd be inside in a rally car, so it's a great experience. Rallying in itself, I don't know, it's very hard to explain it. Myself and Tommy were just talking there a while ago. It's more than just a sport, it's a passion, it's everything, and it's a very serious industry in Ireland. Financially, rallying and rally sport and all the people who follow it. And there's just something terrible sound about the people who follow rallies, and only people that are interested in rallying will know what I mean by that.
And what's the plan now for the rest of the day?
Or to keep it between the ditches and avoid those tyres and bales of silage that are out in the middle of the road and everything. Yeah, that's the main occupation. But Tommy will do that, no problem.
Una, are you excited for this?
I am. I'm actually just not thinking about it, because I'm just going to get in there. As I said to Keith, who's driving, and I trust him, I said, it's like going on a roller coaster. You have just no choice. Once you're in, you're strapped in.
That's it.
That's it. I've never done anything like this before.
Have you not?
No.
Well, let me tell you, it's going to be an experience of a lifetime.
Yeah, exactly. My two kids are here with me today, and I think they're very jealous that I'm getting to do this.
I love it. Well, it's an amazing event, and it's for amazing causes.
Yes.
So well done for making it down here today.
Oh yeah, no, there's great charities. It's great to support them and hopefully raise loads of money.
For sure. Are you ready to go?
Oh, I'm ready to go, yeah. Looking forward to it now, so it should be good. Delighted Una could make it down now as well. So just the event, obviously with all the effort that's been put in over the last couple of months and whatever, it's brilliant to see the crowds here today, and it's good to showcase rally cars. I was only saying to Una, usually we're doing this on closed country roads, and people will be dotted around, it's hard to get to, but it's so accessible when you're doing it in a venue like this, so we're delighted. So really looking forward to now.
Well guys, well done. I can't wait to see you on the track and see what comes of it. Well done for coming down.
Thanks a million, we'll see you now.
Let's jump on board with Una as she experiences the thrill of rallying for the first time.
Welcome to Limerick. What was that like?
Oh, incredible. I've never experienced anything like it in my life, and I'd say my face was a picture. I was like,
It's somebody.
It's like I felt in safe hands.
Yeah. What's it like out there? Is it slippery? Is it fast? How are you feeling it?
And there's just so many. It's non-stop like that. But then when you get a stretch and it's literally you feel like you're on the runway going to take off.
It's some adrenaline buzz. Now you're used to playing into huge stadiums, thousands and thousands of people. Relate the adrenaline buzz from sitting in the passenger seat of a rally car to facing a stadium full of singing fans.
No, this adrenaline is. I don't think I've ever felt anything like it before, ever. So.
Fantastic. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. This is Una Healy.
Meanwhile, Tommy Randalls, using all his experience, was relishing the slippery conditions and giving his good friend Micheal Healy-Rae a spin he wouldn't forget.
Oh, the tunnel. Now we're sucking diesel. Open it up, Tommy. Thank you, too brave. Woo!
Everybody should do this on a Sunday because it would be guaranteed to make more people pray.
There you have it, lads. It's an excuse for more people to go to Mass. But you see, we do this every Sunday, Micheal.
I think I'll take it up and I'll convert completely into God. Because when we're inside here, we would be praying, like. Even though I have every confidence in Tommy, like.
Are you calling notes or are you just there for the drive?
Sorry?
Are you calling pace notes or are you just here for the drive?
Oh, God, no, I was telling him, I knew what we were supposed to be saying, like, sharp left, right, straight, left.
Richard O'Donoghue, local TD, how was that?
Unbelievable. There's no words. When the launch control went at the start and you were pushed back into the seat, there's no feeling like it. But my wife mightn't like what I'm going to say when I come home because I think I have the bug.
We just spoke about it, so is it possible this is it? This is the start of a new hobby for you?
Well, I've always liked rallying. I've always been at the rallies. And recently we bought a car for my son to do a small bit of rallying, but I think he might have to come second place to me after today.
I love it. Well, it's a massive event that you're after coming down to support today. Amazing causes. So well done for getting into the car and turning up and showing up for them.
No, all the praise here goes to the people that brought their cars, brought the drivers, all the background team that you see under the cars, and yourselves that come out and do this for the Little Blue Heroes and Limerick Suicide. We're only a token to help in any way we can, but the real work starts with these people. You're amazing, and anything I can do to help, I'll do it.
Niall, come here to us. Tell us, how was that for you?
I enjoyed it. It was very slippy at the start, but near the end, it was more grip than what I thought. But my navigator's very good here, so he is.
Love it.
You know
Are you in competition with anyone today, lads?
Everybody.
Oh, competition, man. You?
100%, and all I want to say is, Micheal Healy-Rae, when I'm looking in the rear view mirror, you won't be there. All that's going to be there is dust.
I love it.
Very slippy in there, is it?
Very slippy. We spun and stalled in the middle of it, so yeah, definitely challenging and sure.
But a very important day for Irish Motorsport, and a very important day to raise money for not alone the Motorsport Benevolend Fund, but also for the Little Blue Heroes, the Garda Síochána charity.
Absolutely, it's unbelievable to see. You know, you're putting on a show and being able to raise money in the middle of it. No better combination, and fair play to all the organisers for putting it together.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to go down the stage backwards.
You seem to have lost your navigator.
Yeah, well, he's shrunk.
Weight-saving device, is it?
That's it, trying to get the quickest time.
How is it? It's very slippy out there, is it?
Yeah, very slippy. So we spun there coming back round in the loop. So
I think Eamon Kelly did the same tricks here in the same boat.
Right, and that's not so bad. Don't feel too guilty then.
How's it going this morning, Jar?
We're enjoying it. My goddaughter's with me for our first time in rally.
Your son, is it?
No, my goddaughter.
Oh, your goddaughter. So excuse me, I didn't see with the helmet on. I'm very bad. Goddaughter, what's her name?
Nita.
Nita, very first time ever inside a rally car.
Yep, first time not actually.
And she doing a good job as a navigator?
Absolutely fantastic.
That track there must be made for you.
Ah, yeah, it was nice and slippy, so we did a bit of sliding, so it was good crack. So, yeah, good to put on a bit of a show anyway.
Yeah. Great to see a crowd here like this. It's we're bringing motorsport to a very different audience.
Yeah, for sure. Obviously for a good cause as well, so it's very good to be able to everyone to come out and support and everything. So, no, it's good to be able to show it off, and hopefully they all get involved in it now.
And these are nice events too, though. It's nice to get something like simple, not the same stress as a rally.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, great to give a few mates a spin on the car as well.
This man's first time in the rally car, is it?
No. He's usually organising the rallies, so it's good to give him
and an organiser and a marshal, so they give a little back, is it?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah,
absolutely brilliant, lads. Hello, Ken. You're very welcome to County Limerick.
Yeah, not too far away from here already. But no, it's great to be here. I think this is one fantastic event, and it's great to be doing it for charity. It's great for all the competitors that turn up for charity.
You're a long-time supporter, a long-time member of Limerick Motor Club, but this is a very special event in the way it brings a very different audience, like not the regular fans, but the people that are just curious about motorsport to see what we do every weekend.
Yeah, exactly, and they can get close to it, they can talk to the drivers. They should feel free to go up and talk to every driver. On a day like today, everyone is so relaxed. People will tell them about their cars, they'll talk about everything, so feel free to approach the drivers, they'll all love it.
And I see you've Keith's regular navigator, JJ Crim, alongside today. You're taking JJ for a run. I think it's a long time since JJ was in an escort.
No, it's a while, all right, but I was taking JJ out so he could pass a few tips on to Keith so that, they'd be going a bit quicker the next day.
100%, yeah, you can't beat the old dog for advice. Good man, Ken Lyons.
Feel that bass.
That's all from us on what was a very successful and entertaining day with vital funds raised for the Irish Motorsport Benevolent Fund. See you next time.